Hi guys, well it's the Christmas season, so today I'm making a cupcake everybody will enjoy. Christmas Spice Chocolate Cupcake. Here's what you'll need. The ingredients: you will need 255 grams of brown sugar, 225 grams of self-raising flour and 75 grams of plain flour and 30 grams of cocoa powder, 3 eggs, 100 grams of dark chocolate, 125 grams of room temperature butter, and we're going to use 1/3 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, ground ginger and ground nutmeg. That's the ingredients. Let's make a start. First thing we're going to do, in a small pan, add the chocolate, and to that we're going to add 1 cup of cold water, and on a medium heat we're going to let that all melt and combine together. Now the chocolate has melted, we're going to remove it from the heat, set it to one side while we work on the other ingredients. So I've added the butter and sugar to a large mixing bowl, and with the electric mixer we're going to beat this together until it's light and creamy. Now I'm going to add 1 egg at a time and give it a mix together. Now it's time to add the flours. I'm going to run mine through a sieve, and the cocoa powder, and using a wooden spoon just mix all this together. Next we're going to add in the spices. And then pour in the chocolate mix. Right, got interrupted by the postman. Right, now the chocolate's in, mix it all together. Beautiful. Right, in a 12-hole muffin pan, I've lined it with some cases, and it's just a case of dividing the mix between them. Right, that's then filled up. This is now ready to go into the oven at 160 Celsius for about 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Right guys, these I've had a total of 25 minutes in the oven. Mine needed that extra 5 minutes. The skewer was still coming out a bit gooey. It's now coming out nice and clean. So I'm going to leave these sat in this tray for 10 minutes, let them cool down a little bit. Then I'm going to take them out and put them on a wire rack so they can cool completely. We'll see you in a bit. Once the cupcakes have cooled down, you can decorate them however you want to, but what I'm going to do, put a little star on a piece of paper, and with some icing sugar just sprinkle that over. Lift off, and there we are, sort of a star. So with a little bit of icing sugar, place your stencil on, lift off, and ta-da! There we have it guys, all decorated. Place in an airtight container to keep them fresh. Now for the best bit, taste test. Just have a little nibble. Oh, that's so nice. Them spices really work well together. Nice, moist, gingery. What more could you ask for at Christmas? Right, that's it for this one guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.